Alright everybody, so we're doing another drop off here in Sunshine City. Beautiful day, beautiful day. So I have another happy customer. Hello. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So just a quick question. A little baby crying. Oh, did you hear about us?
From my coworker Charmaine.
Ah, that's nice. That's
Yeah.
nice. And how do you like the service so far?
It's excellent.
Explain to me a little bit more.
Because I'm here now, that's why I meet you alone. But people have come to my doorstep, which I prefer.
Awesome, awesome. So would you recommend us to anybody?
Everybody.
Why?
Because the service is excellent. And most people who travel know how the UPS system works. So for it to be here in Jamaica, right at our doorstep.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for that. And you said you want to say something, pretty girl?
Hello, my name is Liana.
Hi, Liana.
Big thumbs up to you guys.
Thank you so much. Why are you giving us a thumbs up, Liana? Awesome, awesome. All right. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.
Yeah, dear Brad. You have been watching our videos. You are talking. You've been watching our videos, but you have not created a free shipping account as yet. What are you waiting for? It is free to create, and you can do it in half the time that you take to watch this video. Did you know that you can ship your items to Jamaica straight to your doorstep for like 25% what a FedEx or a DHL will cost you? Go ahead, click the link in the description box below, create your free account today. Do it! We're in the streets!